Hello Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Here you'll find everything Thenjiwe comedy, from me doing comedy skits.
My grandmother from Limpopo has been flying using a broom for centuries. The English people must pay us the money they made out of Harry Potter. We are the ones who do witchcraft. U is for Europe.
Bringing you your breaking news, to vlogs, traveling the world and taking you with me, to me performing stand-up comedy to audiences around the world.
The very talented Thenjiwe!
All you have to do is subscribe, like, share the videos and enjoy. And comment on the videos to let me know what else you would like to see on the videos.
We need chicken feet flavored condoms. We need condoms that are flavored in peanut butter. We need mochodu, acha. We even need tinned fish flavored condoms.
In the meantime, subscribe, like and press the notification button so that you do not miss another video. Enjoy!